Hey guys, I'm back working on the 4runner again. Unfortunately, I think the bearings are going out in my junkyard rear end that I put in. There's been a lot of metal shavings on the plug, on the magnet. I drove the thing for 400 or 500 miles, changed the fluid, cleaned up the magnet, and this is after another 400 miles. And the magnet was just heaping again with some metal shavings. And I'm getting a vibration on the interstate. So I'm gonna have to pull this rear end out and have some bearings put in it. So we'll time it today to see how long it takes me. I'm getting good at this. This thing has only been in there for about a month, so everything should be loose and not completely rusted together yet. So we'll see how long it takes. I've got it drained already, but nothing else has been taken off. I'm gonna start with the drive shaft, get that dropped and just wire it up someplace. And then I'll take the emergency brake cables off, the brake lines off, get the wheels off, pull the axles out, and then from there I can pull that diff. So I'm gonna actually time it today to see how long it takes. So start a timer. I'll just set you guys up on this on the lift here. I don't know if you can see this or not. I don't have my GoPro mount with me today, so. Wire it up out of the way so it doesn't fall on your face. Alright, so drive shaft is off. I'll pull the wheels off quick. Actually, maybe I think next I'll take off these emergency brake cables and the brake lines. These just have a pin you pop out. And then the cable comes off and the brake lines just unscrew. Try and make it so you guys can see this stuff, but same thing on the other side. Again, sorry about all the movement, guys. I don't have any camera stands with me today. I really wasn't planning on doing this today. Next, let's pop off the brake lines. These are just the 10 mil. Next, we'll just take out these 4 nuts here for the, so we can slide out the axles. Same on this side. Those 4 nuts off, the axle should be loose. Again, these were just out about a month and a half ago, so these coming out pretty nice. Same thing on the other side. Just have to take these 4 nuts off and slide the axle out. So again, the axle should be free. Just kind of tap it to get it loose. There we go. Just take a quick break here and show you what we got. So the axles are out. For time, we are at 23 minutes. I've got the plugs off the diff already because my diff locker wasn't working anyways. So now all we have to do is get these bolts out that hold the diff in. And then that's it. Pop that out and we're home free. There's the locker, which doesn't work anyways, so replace that please. So here's what we have. Just have 2 more nuts on top there, and it should be free. And that's it, guys. It's out. So I'll bring this in and just have some bearings put in. I don't, my skill level is not high enough to put bearings in myself and get this thing set up, so I'll just have a pro do that. So total time from start to finish. Granted, I did have my tools set up and ready. 33 minutes. This is about the 3rd time I've had one of these out, so getting better at it. The first couple times took a lot longer. So that's it for this one, guys. I'm gonna bring that diff in, have some bearings put in, and then from there I'll get it back together, and that should be it. So thanks for watching.